Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something ultra cool from Australia. What's in here? These are Indonesian varieties, mostly, that were sent by a reader named Fur Engi. And she's sent me stuff before. She sent me a big box with all sorts of Australian cups years ago. And I noticed she'd posted on Ramen, the group Ramen Junkies on Facebook. You should go check that group out if you haven't already. And yeah, there's she posted a picture of all these different varieties that she had gotten, and I was like, I didn't realize that was her. So I was like, wow, if you've got extras, you know, that'd be rad. And then she private messaged me, say, hey, remember me? I'm that person. I'm like, oh, wow, cool, rad. The only thing I'm afraid of here is, so our postal service misrouted it, and it's taken a lot of extra time. So I'm really worried about the condition of these, but it's time to unbox. I'm hoping... Yeah, I'm really hopeful they at least all stayed in their bags. If they're munched up a little bit from transit, that's okay. I'll still review them. But there's some stuff in here that I've been after for a long time. So with that, let's crack it open and take a peek inside. So in that bag was another bag. And she included a nice card, which simply says, enjoy your ramen. And I know I will. Thank you a million thank yous. Thank you. So there's a bunch of these bubble wrapped packs, and on this one, these feel like they came through good. So let's just start unpacking them and going through everything. So as I mentioned, the bulk of these are from Indonesia, and this one starts that out. This is Mi Bon Cabe. Bon Cabe is a popular seasoning. It's spicy. It's really spicy. So this one is Ramen Pedas, which means it's spicy ramen. This is also by the same brand that makes Bon Cabe, and this is Ayam Bawang. Bawang? I don't know how it's pronounced. But ayam is chicken and bawang is onion. So this is like a nice onion chicken variety. And again, a different Bon Cabe. This is not the extra spicy. This is just the regular mi goreng. Mi goreng translates to fried noodle. So this is Bon Cabe noodle, mi Bon Cabe. And then we've got a Soto variety. And it's Soto Sagir. And I have no idea. Cool. And then another one of these Jua Pagi varieties. This is mi goreng. I'm noticing here this sayur part. So I don't remember if the other one said it, but that just means it's probably vegetarian or vegan. Then we've got some Super Boober. This is a chicken flavored instant noodle. I'm guessing just like a noodle soup. And this one I'm unsure. I don't know if this is one that comes with seasoning or is simply an egg noodle. So I'll have to look into that. It's a pretty large pack. And then from that same brand, we have a mi goreng. Well, everything thus far has been from Indonesia, but this one's made in South Korea and distributed in Australia. This is Bulgogi Hot Pot from Nong Shim. Sounds interesting and definitely something I haven't tried before. All right, now we're going to delve into a bag with a lot of stuff in it. So here we go. Here we have some Indomie. This is Mi Goreng Ayam Pop, and I have no idea. Maybe it's just like a chicken flavored mi goreng. I don't know, but I've never seen this before. Ooh, doggy. And folks, it's been literally years since I've had this or even seen it. This is Indomie Mi Goreng Rendang. And we used to get this here in the States, and we haven't for a while. I don't know why. People love this. I love this. It's possibly one of the best Indomie varieties I've ever had, and I am thrilled. New packaging for their 50th anniversary. Wow. I believe this one, this Koto Makassar, is from a regional series. This one, I believe, is from Sulawesi. I can't remember what flavor it is, but I will find out. Kaldu ayam. I want to say this is chicken and shrimp, but I'm not Sure. Next up, we've got some mie goreng aci, and I'm pretty sure this is part of the regional range that they have. Another one, I'll have to figure it out. And now we've got some mie goreng Rico Rica, Sambal Rico Rica. I don't know, but I heard from her that when she posted a picture of her trying it, it sounded like the sambal is really tasty. And this is from a new series, Hype Abyss, and I don't know what that means. It's got the 50th anniversary stuff on it. This is Mi Qua Seblak Hot Gelatot, and it's got flames on it, so this might be really spicy. Another Hype Abyss, this is mie goreng ayam geprek. I don't know, it's chicken something. And here's another one. This looks like a different packaging, though. It's mentioning Kuliner Indonesia, and it mentions Sulawesi as well. This is mie goreng kakalang, and I almost want to say I've had this, but I don't know. So another one from their regional packaging. And this one I have had, and I want to say this is one of the newer ones that I've had, and this has been out for a while now. This is mie goreng kabe ijo, or ijo. I don't know. I really don't know how to pronounce Indonesian words. Kabe is chili, and ijo is green. So it's green chili, and the noodles end up green once it's prepared. And yet another one of these Hype Abyss ones. This is kebab rendang, and it mentions that it has some kruk rendang garnish with it. Kruk means crunchy, so there's crunchy beef with it. I don't know. If you've been following me for a long time, you might recognize this. It's in a new set of clothes, but this is mie keriting special, and this is good. This was on, I believe, the first 2 top 10 lists I did well over a decade ago, and then they disappeared. Nobody could get them except for in Indonesia, and then I hadn't had the chance to re-review them since then. This is a special curly noodle. It's just absolutely some of the most... God, it is good. I love this, and I can't wait to review this again. Here is a Javanese regional variety. This is Soto Lamongan. I really don't know. Lemon, maybe that's like lemon. I'm reaching here. I really have no info or knowledge of this one. And we reached the end of them. This is another premium variety from Indonesia. This is mie keriting ayam panggang. I think this is another one of the super special curly noodle varieties that used to be available in the US a long time ago. They had export versions. No more. And I just reached into the bottom of this, and what did I find? My absolute favorite, one of my favorite candy bars of all time. This is Violet Crumble. Sometimes you'll find this one up in Canada, but this is really good stuff. And it reminds me of my childhood when I was a kid. We used to go from Anacortes, where I grew up, over to Friday Harbor, and they had a little candy store. And they had something like this. They called it sea foam, but it's kind of like a crunchy honeycomb kind of thing covered in chocolate, and that's what this is. Wow, look at this. Holy cow. I'm just absolutely stoked. 24 noodles and a candy bar. Wow. Thank you so much, Tul Ferengi. I'm speechless. Yeah, thank you so much. And yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. You can definitely look forward to a lot of new Indonesian reviews in the near future. Have a good one. Bye.